In this video today, I'm going to be stripping down one of these three engines, and more than likely, you're going to watch me stuff it up. Obviously, I've stripped down thousands and thousands of the LSs, but these ones are pretty new to me. We've got the Ferrari V8 here. We've got a Ford Boss V8, and over there, that big boy, we've got the Aston Martin 6-litre V12. If you guessed this saggy piece of shit, that's the one we're going to start with. So watch me, guys, strip this down, and we'll go from there. So here's that saggy piece of shit. The first thing we did was obviously drain the oil out, and what we'll be doing is just working our way from the top all the way down. So we'll strip all the manifold off, the heads off, and then flip it around and get all the crank and the pistons and rods out. So yeah, so by the end of it, we'll be having just a bare block. This engine's going to be a coffee table. You probably see some unorthodox ways of me pulling stuff apart. So don't stress too much. I'm not reusing this engine or rebuilding it. It looks pretty good inside, doesn't it? So with this design, I might do like a exploded view so you can see inside the inlet manifold, because those trumpet things look pretty cool. There you go, comes straight off. Now next, we'll be taking the rocker covers off, and then the heads and all the shit inside all the rocker gear inside the head. These look quite good inside the heads as well. So we'll probably do like an exploded view of the inside the rocker gear and inside the heads. So the rocker covers will be sitting up slightly, and we just have them spaced out. And then that way you can see all the inner workings, all the chain, all the cams, all that kind of stuff. So next, we'll get these heads off. So what I'm going to do here now, obviously the heads couldn't come off with those timing chains in the way. So I'm going to start stripping all the front pulleys off, and then I'll strip the timing cover off. So here comes the fun part. So the most difficult part of stripping the engines is usually pulling the pulleys off, especially the harmonic balancer. And by looking at this one, I'm seeing it all rusty. It's more than likely seized on. So I'm going to have some fun there. So once all the pulleys are off, we'll take the front timing off, and then that will allow us to get the chains off, and then the head should come off. So wish me luck. So as you can see there, this is it's being a pain in the ass. My harmonic balancer removal tool doesn't work on these pulley harmonic balancers. So if you're a Ford lover, you shouldn't be looking right now. They're absolutely destroying this engine here. So yeah, it's nearly off though using just the screwdrivers. But yeah. All right, there you go. She's off. Now we'll take the timing cover off, and that will allow us to take the chains off. There she is. So as you can see, I'll just turn this. Oops. We'll pull all this shit off, and that will allow us to get the heads off. So I'm going to do the same. I probably won't put the timing cover back on when we build the table. I like to show all the exposed inner workings. So yeah, obviously we're going to clean everything up and shit, but yeah, look pretty good. Okay, that's it guys, all fully stripped at the front here. We'll take the heads off now. Okay, we're in POV mode. It's the first time I've used this camera holder, so let me know how it goes. Looks like it's, let me know if it's giving you motion sickness. It seems to be shaking a lot, but we'll give it a crack. So now that the bolts are all off, the head should come off, I reckon. Yep. There we are. So you can see the pistons. So these heads are absolutely huge compared to an LS head, but the pistons are the same size. Like I think the pistons are actually smaller than LS, but these heads are absolutely huge. What I'll do after, I will compare them so you can see side by side. See, I told you I haven't stripped the Ford down before, one of these engines down before. Now that this piece of shit is looking a lot less saggy, what I'll do, I'll turn it around and we'll strip out the bottom end. So that's it, guys. It's all stripped down now, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like seeing this kind of stuff, make sure you follow us. I know some of you mechanics and engine builders out there probably cringed the entire time watching this, but like I said earlier, this is going to be a coffee table, so there's no need to be careful with it. So if anyone out there wants a Ford Boss engine coffee table, let us know, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.